Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage the system bar, this one right here, on your Onyx Boox Note 5. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Right here enter the system bar settings. Now you can either use the drop down panel, which I have right now, so we have all of the shortcuts as well as the notification right here. You can also go for the horizontal split mode, and now if you go to the right you'll get all of the shortcuts, and if you go to the left you'll get all of the notifications. In this case I have no notifications and it's not showing up. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.